So welcome back guys. In this video I'm going to tell you how to create an icon bar in website. You have seen many icons in a website like a home icon or a trash icon or the globe icon. So I'm going to show you how to add or how to write a code for that icons. So let's start. So the code will be in HTML and CSS. So you should know a basic of HTML and CSS. So let's go back to our body. So in the body we are going to define the elements in it, and first of all uh, there are you can add I add the icons bar in a horizontally or the vertically. So I'm gonna show you both way. So first of all we'll start our HTML file or HTML code like meta with meta tag. Meta tag is used to automatically set the website width. So to do that, first of all write name, and in the attribute value you have to write viewport. Fine. And after that write content, and in the content you have to set its width equal to, and the value will be device width. So it will change its width according to the device width. So we'll set its width as a device width. Fine. And its inertial value will be, will keep inertial value of our website as 1, यानी कि 100%. So you can add title or not, it's up to you. So I'm not going to add it. So now and our meta code usually in the head text. So this should be in inside the head text. So we'll cut it from the HTML tag and paste it into the head tag. And now guys, in the body tag we are going to write the elements. We are going to define the elements in it. So first of all we'll write division tag. So it's used as a container in HTML. So and we'll assign a class to it as icon bar. So icon bar, and in the division tag we'll use our we'll define one more tag or element which is hyperlink, यानी कि a. So इसका जो है क्लास होगी वो होगी हमारी एक्टिव, एंड इसे एंड करेंगे इस टैग को, और इस लिंक को हम नाम दे सकते हैं इफ यू वांट, बट विल कीप इट एज ब्लैंक नाउ फॉर नाउ. और इसके अंदर गाइस हम रखेंगे एलिमेंट्स रख सकते हैं. सो विल कीप हियर आई क्लास of and so now we'll define our one more thing. So here we'll write I stands for item here, and I'm gonna tell you later why we are writing class for search, because later we'll link a web we are going to link a CSS file from the internet. So there is some mention here, like if we want to use a far search, so we're going to write as search far search, and you also seen the envelope icon in the website. So to add envelope, we are going to assign it as a var hyphen envelope. So these classes will be already defined in the CSS file. So you just need to link the web internet. I'm gonna give you a link of the CSS file, so you can use that CSS file to uh, use that icons in your website. So now we'll use the globe icon and we'll end this tag now. And the last icon we're going to use is trash. Trash is used for deleting the element or deleting text. So this will be like this. So we'll keep it as reference as a hash for now. So you can change the hash to the website link, you can add it to. So here and its class will be var trash. Fine. So now this is I think it's a complete. So this is the end of body element. Now we're going to write a CSS code for it. So to write CSS code, we are going to write in a head tag. So to write CSS code, the code should be in style tag, and then style tag we have already defined the various classes. So we are going to use that classes to styling, or we change the property of it. So suppose first of all we are going to set the margin of the body. So we'll keep it as margin 0, and we also define the class icon bar. So we are going to set its width as 100%. So it will cover all the width of all the websites, all the width of the website. So it will be 100%. And you can so we are going to give the background color of it as hash 555. So it's kind of blue gray color, dark gray color, and icon bar, yeah. And the overflow, so this tag is used to keep our website responsive to the various devices. And in the icon bar class, there is element hyperlink. So we are going to change its property. So icon, because the hyperlinks are available in the icon bar class, so we are going to write it as like icon bar, and then we'll use the element of the class. So float left. So float is used when if we want to make our website responsive. So whenever the width of the device is less, then all the elements where the float is set as left, then all the element will be shifted to the left side automatically. and the width will be 20%, and this is for, and the text alignment center, and the padding 12 pixel. So जो first जो value है it's for the top one, and the next one is for bottom one, and the transition is used for the animation. So all 0.ps यानी कि 0.3 सेकेंड का ट्रांजिशन होगा, और ease, so ये मोड है ट्रांजिशन का, ease, and white font size, we'll keep it as 36 pixel. And what is left now? Now let's change the property. If we hover over the any icon, so what could change, what can we see change? So it could be like we can change the color, background color of it. So icon bar a hover, so background color will be, ठीक है, बैकग्राउंड कलर हो जाएगा इसका. और now we also define a element active. so इसमें क्या होगा, इसकी बैकग्राउंड कलर हम कर दे रहे हैं चेंज टू #4CEF50. fine. So guys, now we are going to link external CSS file here. So to add external CSS file, we use link tag. So this is our link, and we are going to give the reference of it. So I'll give you the link of this CSS file, so you can just copy it. So there is a website Cloudflare, so where you can find the various CSS files, so you can use those CSS files to design or make your website more designable or more stylish. So guys, I think I've done with the code, and let's see if we have created the icon bar. So let's see. So I have already opened that file in Chrome, so you can see that the link. So just I'm going to click on it, and you can see that the icons has been visible now here. So you can use these you can use these icons to, so you have to use the JavaScript to make it responsive. Like if you search on this search icon, then it should search in your website. So to make that possible, you have to use the JavaScript coding. So I'm gonna later show you how to do that. So but now I'm just showing you that how to create an icon bar in the website. I hope you like the video, and you can see that when I hover the mouse over it, you can see that its background color changed to the black color. So that's fantastic. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.